Let the adventures begin!
Thanks for joining us.
Right on, yeah. Today we're going to take you for a mountain bike ride.
Yeah, last week we went snow going. This week we went mountain biking.
Yeah, first mountain bike ride of 2021. It's pretty awesome. Went just a little bit south of where we live. Short drive, not far away, to the Birds of Prey National Wildlife Refuge.
Right.
What a blast.
Beautiful.
Yeah, so it was great to break out the bikes, huh?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, it was fun. Kelly did a really good job. It was some janky stuff, as you'll see later in the video.
It wasn't hot outside.
Hey, yeah, this is the time of year to be at the Birds of Prey.
It is.
Yeah, summertime, this place can be way sweltering hot. Bisbee liked the view. He kept looking up over the thing.
Yes, he did.
Yeah,
I kept thinking he was going to jump over and jump up on the rim there.
Yeah, he
the
just
ledge.
take a look.
Yeah.
Scoping it out. It's quite a pretty view, though.
It was.
You're hilarious. Are you gonna look with Kelly?
See us kicking up some dirt.
I mean, dirt is here. It's like brown powder, baby. So just a short distance from
Declaration Point,
we found.
the energy vortex.
But it wasn't until we got home and I was reviewing the footage Kelly can listen.
Yeah, you could hear the frequency or the vibration of the energy vortex when we walked in and walked out of it. But while we were there, we didn't hear anything.
Here we are, the energy vortex.
I thought it was amazing. I enjoyed myself.
I love being outside, so I always feel good when we're out doing that stuff.
Sat in there, took off my shoes and socks, grounded myself, and
Yeah, you
enjoyed
did.
the sun. a lot more energy throughout the day. After doing that, I felt very energized the whole day. Made me feel good.
You see, Bisbee liked the dirt.
Yes, he was rolling around in it.
He had a good time there. Yeah, he did. Yeah, he did.
Sit. That's cute.
They told me I wasn't gonna get far. So I told them like this, look. My adversaries crumble when we rumble, it's a catastrophe on anybody who tryna hate, come and blasting me. I've been in this for a minute, see how I graduated from rookie to beginner, but now I'm winning on the road. Backing up and selling our shows, but let's rewind the tape a bit and let them all know who came to rock the floor, Jay, who knocks the most, Willis. I creep up on the come up whether they hate it or feel this. Next in line to come and battle me quick, man, you don't wanna see me in this circle, I'm killing you, kid. Young Jay, I'm bad. They told me I wasn't gonna get far. So I told them like this, look. Who's back? Watch me lean back, see how I ride. I gotta do my thing. Check 1, 2 on the mic, and when we go, you know there ain't no stopping us, right? Because we party every day just like it's 1999. Watch me lean back, see how I ride. I gotta do my thing. Check 1, 2 on the mic, and when we go, you know there ain't no stopping us, right? Because we party every day just like it's 1999. I put everybody that won any issues in a line. Step 'em up, I started out battle rapping, so I can just flip the script in a minute. I'm minutes to these rhymes. See, that's a whole school of wannabe rappers that's out of lines. Why? Question this reckless question with next generation, no extra linguistics. Mess up in this mind, gone out of control. Left for dead if somebody ever took a shot. You pressed the hit 'em, I never ride, forever on top. I'm up to date with 7 albums, when will it stop? My steady grind, signing checks, I still get the guap. And you still hate, I'm diverse, just give it a shot. Till then, watch me lean back, see how I ride. I gotta do my thing. Check 1, 2 on the mic, and when we go, you know there ain't no stopping us, right? Because we party every day just like it's 1999. Watch me lean back, see how I ride. I gotta do my thing. Check 1, 2 on the mic, and when we go, you know there ain't no stopping us, right? Because we party every day just like it's 1999.
If you like this video, smash that like button.
We rode back along the edge of the bluff, which was pretty janky.
Right, it was.
It was definitely challenging. I was impressed with you getting up out of the saddle and just pedaling through stuff.
Yep.
You did a good job.
I did.
Want to go back again. If there's a longer ride we want to do there, we'll spend more time in the vortex.
Yes, definitely.
And there's a nice 9-mile loop that would be fun to do too.
Yes, and show you
show you the other stuff. And there's a really cool dam. The Birds of Prey National Wildlife Refuge is really cool.
Yes, it is.
What impressed you most on the drive-in?
Is the free-range cows.
Free-range cows. I'll put a shot of them down here. Yeah, they just live in fence-free.
Yeah, they do.
Just watch out. Watch for cattle. It's on your Idaho driving test.
Yes, it is.
It is. It was amazing, though. We went from snow going to mountain biking.
Yes.
All in the same week.
And that's why we love Idaho so much.
Yeah, and then actually the next day, we did go back up to Bogus and do more snow going.
Yep.
So, yeah, pretty neat that you can ride your mountain bike and go play in the snow all within an hour of each other.
Right.
Awesome. Well, hey, check back again. Make sure to smash the like button. And thanks for watching.
Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.
Two, three. Begin! Once we land.
Oh.
One. Oh, come on. Up. Up. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Begin! Oh, that's going to be so great for the edit route. Okay. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Begin! Oh, we bumped heads. 1, 2, 3. Begin!